Hey, what's up, traders? The watch list video here for Thursday. Do I have that right? Yeah, Thursday, May 26th. The SPY, we had the FOMC minutes today and had pretty nice push up. Here's the intraday. Oh, hold on. I've got extended hours on there. I was watching NVDA and after hours. So it's pretty much another chop fest. And there's the FOMC minutes, which became a chop fest, and then a slow grind to highs of the day, and then pulled back to kind of retest the earlier high. So it was another slow, kind of boring day. Maybe some things worth noting. NVIDIA and after hours, NVDA trading at 158-ish right now, so down below recent lows. This low right here was 155. So below, I guess I should say below today's low. But we'll see. It's trying to bounce as I'm speaking. I'm going to get right into the watch list for tomorrow because I've got somewhere I got to be. So WEN, potential buyout is what I'm hearing. Big volume, closing well off its highs, but we're going to watch it tomorrow. BKSY was my personal best trade of the day, and I grabbed it on a pullback. Had a nice pop, big volume, closing well off its highs, but certainly one to watch tomorrow. KSS is Kohl's. Buyout talk, I don't know, the earlier buyouts were up in the 64 area. Now the people that were going to buy it out are now alleging they're going to lower their offer, but still, like, I guess the market is took it as, okay, well, the buyout offer is still in place, and here's what happened on an intraday basis. Whoops. Sorry, I was trying to listen to some headline about Twitter. KSS, so there's the big rip. It halted and then opened up here and then kind of slowly bled lower the rest of the day, but certainly makes it in place. We're going to keep our eyes on KSS. GameStop, GME, what a strong move. And this one can squeeze, and I would argue probably did squeeze a little bit today, but let's keep that one on watch because it broke above at least a couple weeks worth of trading. That's GME. IMMX gapped up the other day, sold off, and is curling back up. The most recent high from the gap up day was 287. Over that, maybe it gets going, so I'm going to keep that one on a chart. SIGA goes back on bounce watch. No trigger in it today, so it goes back on bounce watch for tomorrow. Same with GOVX, recent monkeypox play, and now you got a couple red days, much like SIGA. We're going to watch that one. QUBT, pretty strong last couple days, so that one goes on a chart. RCL, I know I had CCL on bounce watch today, and I switched my second day play, I don't know how to word it, but we got the green day today for possible continuation tomorrow instead of CCL. I don't know, I like RCL's chart a little better, so I'm going to watch that for a continuation of today's bounce. BGFV, decent volume for this stock and a pretty strong close, topped out at 1308, maybe back through 13 tomorrow, could be interesting. And it is running on sympathy to DKS. If you didn't see the gap down in DKS, and then had a big rip today, that I feel like for my own trading was a missed opportunity because in pre-market I told everybody this was interesting as a gap down bounce play setup, and then I did nothing with it and it had a huge move. So, but BGFV has a lot of shorts in it, so that goes on a chart for tomorrow. BTTX, let me zoom in a little bit here. Had the big rip yesterday, and then today kind of a quiet inside day. So I'm looking for a third day play there. NUTX continues to show some strength lately, so that goes on watch. And then lastly, EVLV. Let me pan out a little bit here. So nice volume for the stock and trying to, broke out over a couple weeks, maybe even almost a month's worth of trading. We'll see if it gives a continuation setup tomorrow. And that's all I've got. There's, let me see. I don't know how I avoided this. I think Redbox is kind of an interest. Yeah, I'm going to put that on watch too. RDBX. That's an interesting, bear with me, I'm putting it in my notes. Interesting chart here. Had the big spike a couple days ago. Certainly a recent high flyer, and it's up near the recent high. So RDBX also goes on watch. All right, anyway, I'm done babbling. I'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.